Hi. So we're going to talk about sewing tulle to briefs. Now, if you are actually interested in learning how to sew a ballet tutu, this is exactly what you're gonna need to do. And yes, we are using domestic sewing machines over here to do that. Okay, so over here you can see Ariel. She's working her way through the layers of the tulle. And the tulle is basically that fluffy thing that you see, that she's working with. And sewing machine that we're using is the Singer for 423. All right. And a lot of people always ask, like, is it possible for me to learn how to sew a ballet tutu by myself? And I always say that it's definitely possible. Okay, over here at Free Movement Sewing, we're gonna have an online course coming up for that very soon. But there are many things to consider when you want to learn how to sew a ballet pancake tutu. And it really depends on how many layers you want to do, how stiff you want to make it, and there are many different factors that go into it. But as you can see, it is very possible for you to do it. Okay, we'll definitely guide you through one by one and step by step. So if you have any questions, you can always drop it down in the comments below. Yeah, so in this video you can actually see Ariel sewing. She is sewing 7 layers of the tulle. Okay, she's not using a very stiff tulle over here, but you already can see how fluffy and how fluffed up it can really be. Okay, so the main thing is, if you actually want to learn how to sew ballet tutu, I think it's always wise to actually take lessons for this, because there are so many things to consider, and sometimes you really need to watch how you're actually doing it. So over here I'm just checking to make sure that before when Ariel's sewing the tulle, rather, that is directly on the line. So I just wanted to make sure that all of that is okay. And because the moment you sew off grid, it can be a little bit problematic. All right, so if you have any questions, drop it down in the comments below. Always let me know. Let us know over here at Free Movement Sewing. We're all here to support you. Okay, so if you have any dreams, definitely work on them. Okay, because sewing is practice, sewing is mastery, but we're always here to support you. Okay, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you here again very soon. Take care.